Tired of slow charging while flying outdoors? Want your drone to charge faster? Never miss capturing life's beautiful moments? This charger is the reliable solution you need, with a powerful 100-watt output, premium quality, and foldable plug design, so you can carry one less cable on trips. Featuring dual USB-C ports, compatible with DJI Flip and DJI Mini 5 Pro. Charging hub offers a special 15 volts for 3 amps mode, enabling dual battery charging together, while also powering other devices like DJI remote controllers for DJI Mavic 3 and Mavic for pro drone friends. Single port delivers a stable 100-watt output when both ports are in use. Intelligent power distribution is activated. USB-C 1 provides up to 8 watt. USB-C 2 provides up to 18 watts. Get your drone airborne faster. Capture the view before it's gone.